Okay, so here we have a Samsung Galaxy A3. Let's see how to change the wallpaper. So find your gallery. Currently gallery is here. If it's not there, then you can search it here in the 9 dots. Go to that 9 dots. Okay, and gallery is there. Start the gallery and let's choose a picture. Let's say that one. If you don't have a picture already in the gallery, then you can create one from there. Okay, so here's the picture. Okay, go here to the three dots, set as, and here we have wallpaper. Now choose which part of the image to show. Let's say here, just move it with your finger, set as wallpaper, set wallpaper, and that's it. Now you can close this window and the wallpaper was replaced.